In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make images clickable in Google Sites to create interactive web pages. Start by clicking the Add icon. This opens options so you can add content to your site, such as images, text, or other elements. Next, select the relevant tab and type your preferred title into the title field to clearly identify your page. Now, open the Gallery folder and select the image file you want to use. This helps you insert the correct image onto your site. Click on the Click Here text to set it up as interactive. This enables visitors to use the image as a link. Edit the display text or select the URL you want this image to link to. This step makes sure the click will lead to your desired web address. Select the target item and choose your preferred image file type so only the right upload formats appear. Click the link icon in the toolbar, then choose your Site tab or enter the URL in the Input field. You can type or paste the web address you want your image to link to. After entering or selecting your link, confirm it leads to the right site and close any tabs you no longer need. Use formatting options and type or edit your hyperlink if needed, making sure the link displays the correct URL. You'll receive a notification when changes are saved, so you know your setup is secure. Now, enter or update the web address field to finalize the image's clickable link, ensuring it's correct. Adjust who can view your site by setting privacy. Select the URL to copy or edit, and drag to reposition the clickable image if needed for your layout. Finally, test the new link by selecting your clickable image to verify it works properly. If needed, use the option to return to a previous page to make any adjustments. You've now created clickable images in Google Sites. Happy site building!